Before hospitals existed, humans treated injuries using nature, relying on plants, stones, and basic knowledge. In ancient civilizations, healing became more organized, with designated spaces and trained healers. In ancient Greece, healing temples served as early medical centers combining care, rest, and observation. The Romans created the first structured hospitals, especially for soldiers, introducing organized medical care. In the Middle Ages, religious institutions provided care, offering shelter and basic treatment. However, early hospitals were often overcrowded and lacked proper hygiene, leading to the spread of disease. With the rise of science, hospitals began improving through study, observation, and better understanding of the body. Cleanliness and hygiene became essential, reducing infections and saving lives. Modern hospitals became highly organized systems with specialized areas for different treatments. Technology transformed hospitals, allowing more precise diagnosis and advanced treatments. Today, hospitals are part of global healthcare systems, helping people all around the world. The future of hospitals continues to evolve, combining human care with advanced technology.